Are you looking for a way to turn a blog post into an ebook? If so, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you just that. Keep on watching. So step number one, you want to head on over to Google, and right in the search bar, you can type in pretty much whatever you want to create an ebook about, right? So it can be 10 best keto recipes. You can filter through and see which articles you find on pretty much whatever you search for, and look for an article that draws your attention that you want to go with as far as turning that blog article into an ebook. However, I'm going to use my website as an example. So I'm going to go over here to e-commerce. I'm going to click on print on demand, and I'm going to choose this article right here. And all I'm going to do is just highlight this, okay? But before I can do anything else, let's move on to the next step. We'll come back to this step, all right? So the next step is to head on over to designer.io. If you guys do not know what Designer is the ultimate platform to create your ebooks, lead magnets, and so much more, okay? Now, if you can see right here, it does says transform your blog posts, podcasts, videos, and PDFs into ebooks, all right? Now, if we click on pricing here, we're gonna see that they're monthly plans, okay? They have agency plans, but for business plans, monthly, $29, $39, $49, and $99. Okay, now if we look at agency, that's $249, and this is all monthly. However, if you use my affiliate link, which I will leave in the description of this video, I'll also pin it in the comments so that way you can have quick access to Designer. You will pay literally $27 lifetime. So you pay the $27 and you will have lifetime access to Designer. Okay, now it is an affiliate link. I do receive a small kickback at no extra cost to you. It just helps support my channel, and most importantly, I really do appreciate the support. But after you're all signed up with Designer, you're going to be brought up to your dashboard, which looks like this, all right? Now you're going to have this button here that says create ebook. You're going to have these buttons here: import from blog posts, import from Word, from Google Doc, and start from template. So it's real simple. We're just going to click on this one here, import from blog post or URL. Once we click on that, let's head back over here and grab, let me copy this link, copy, head back here to Designer, and I'm gonna paste it in. So once I paste in that blog article URL, I'm gonna click on fetch. And as you can see, this pops up right here, okay? That's my website. Now, you can add tags if you like, okay? You can filter through, so I'm gonna do something like e-commerce, okay? I'm gonna click on next. Once I click on next, the next step is to choose a template. So you have a bunch of templates literally at your fingertips when it comes to creating these ebooks, all right? So just to keep things simple, I'm gonna choose this one right here. And as you can see, designer.io did an amazing job on turning my blog article into an ebook. Just looking at it, I can change a few things, right? So there's this image here that says SEO. Now, what I can do, right, I can easily go and put this image from my blog article, my featured image, I can put that in right there, okay? Change the color of the background. Now you probably wonder, hey Melvin, how can I change the color of the background? Just click on it, okay? Now if we go right here to the left, there's a section here that says background. Just click on it, okay? And there goes the color. Now if you have a hex code, you can put in that code right there to get a specific color that you want, right? Or that you're looking for. You can easily put that code in right there. And you can go on Google and just type in, blue hex codes or things like that. But pretty much you have some colors here, so I can easily change the color right there. Honestly, that looks nice right there. It stands out, okay? Maybe just changing this image. But if we go here, table of contents, you can play around with this, tweak it how you like, okay? Now, if you're taking a blog article from Google, my top recommendation is going to be to edit that ebook, okay? You want to make it unique. So if it's 10 recipes, if you downloaded article that with 30 recipes, maybe you want to use 5 from that article, and you can go and pull another 5 from another article, and you can just add it on to your Designer, okay? Just so you could change things up. You don't want to keep everything the same from that article. Just tweak it out, or you can leave it, use an article with 10 best recipes and just tweak out the words, right? Just edit it, make it unique to you. Now choosing e-commerce platform, okay? So it's broken up. It added images into my ebook as well, okay? So the images that I have on my blog post, it put it in right here in Designer. It structured it real well. So it did an amazing job. So that's one thing I want to point out to you guys, all right? When you guys are creating your ebooks and you're converting them from a blog post to an ebook, you can knock these things out, and you can sell this. You can definitely sell your ebook. You can sell your information, right? Sell your knowledge, all right? So So going back over here, you can see these are my images, right? It's my H1 heading. I have an image right there. You can see that image right here. Choose plan. All those images are right here in my blog article. So I think that's real cool. So if I continue to go down, obviously this image right here is not part of my blog article. I can delete that image. I can add in another image. All right. So it's real simple. Now, if we look right here to the right, there's a section that's it says navigator. You can easily click on one of these pages. Okay, let's say you want to tweak this page. Just go here. You can edit any information, tweak it out, make it unique to you. All right. I'm not saying, you know, like, hey, just use one or two. You can definitely use the article, just change up the words, you know, for your ebook. All right. Especially if you're going to go out to the marketplace and you're going to sell your ebook, you want to make it unique, right? You want to have your wording in there. Okay. You want to put your special touch on that ebook. All right. So just keep that in mind. So once you're all done and satisfied, okay, now like if you don't want a specific page, you can definitely delete it. Okay. So you can just make sure it's highlighted, and if you look right here to the top, you can easily delete it. Now this is the next section. Okay, so obviously I can just add in another image right here, you know, as far as for e-commerce. Okay, and if you want to size things up, you can definitely do so. Now that you know how to turn a blog article into an ebook, you know, let's talk about how to make money with your ebook. Aside from selling it on your website, how can I sit here and make money from this ebook inside of this ebook? And that is going to be using affiliate marketing. So right here in your ebook, you can add sections, okay, you know, and you could drop in affiliate links. Well, Melvin, how can I sit here and do that? For instance, so what I can do is just look for one of these sections here, just make sure it's highlighted, and I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on duplicate. Now, as you can see, it duplicated it. So with this information here, I can type in something, okay? So what I just typed here is click here to learn how to start a profitable e-commerce business. Now, just that ain't gonna make you the money, right? We have to go find an affiliate product that we can sit here and, you know, hyperlink it to that section. So that way when, you know, our customers reading the ebook, they're gonna, you know, read that section that says click here to learn how to start a profitable e-commerce business. Now, where are we going to find that product at? Well, real simple. We can head on over to ClickBank. You want to sign up with ClickBank. So after you're all signed up, you're going to have access to your dashboard. Now, once you're on your dashboard, you can go and click on Marketplace. So based on whatever, you know, ebook you're creating, let's say you found an article, right, on keto. Then, you know, you converted it from a blog article into an ebook, and you want to put some affiliate products in your ebook, right? Well, you can head on over here to ClickBank. You can also use Digistore24. There's other affiliate marketplaces that you can check out. But once you're here, just click on Marketplace. Now, once you click on Marketplace, there's going to be, you know, new offers, health and fitness, e-business, and e-marketing, so on and so forth, right? So what I'm going to do is click on e-business and e-marketing. Now, if we look right here to the left, these are categories, okay? So this ebook is about e-commerce, you know, print on demand, things like that. So I'm just going to go back over here and I'm just going to look for e-commerce. So now I'm going to look for a product. So there's this one here. There's 7-figure strategies. Okay, there's e-commerce Empire Academy. So that one's teaching how to build profitable e-commerce sales funnel. All right, so I can easily use this one here, right? Perfect for e-commerce sales funnels. I can click on this promote button, click on create hop link, and that's my affiliate link. Okay, now if you want to get more in depth, right, on what this product is about, you can easily click on this product. So once I click here, it's gonna open up this website, you know, how to start selling best-selling products today that you never have to touch, see, or even pay for. So this is a simple 5-page e-commerce funnel that Peter actually used to generate a full-time income online. All right, so this is a great product that I can sit here and use in my ebook. So going back over here to ClickBank, go back to promote, create hop link. I'm gonna copy that hop link. Now I'm gonna head back over to designer, and right here where it says click here to learn how to start a profitable e-commerce business, I'm gonna highlight that. Now I'm gonna click on this little link button here. Looks like a little clip or a link. Just click on that. I'm gonna highlight that. I'm just gonna paste in, you know, my affiliate link from ClickBank. Now I'm gonna click on OK, just like that. Now you see it turned it a different color. So when the reader's reading the ebook and they get to that section there, it stands out. Click here to learn how to start a profitable e-commerce business. So what I recommend, is to kind of bold it, just so that way it can stand out. And when the reader's reading it, hey, they may miss it the first time, right? They'll be like, oh, I'll come back to it. But you may want to add it, maybe 2 or 3 times, 4 times in your ebook, depending on how long your ebook is. All right. Now, another thing, depending on, the type of content you're creating an ebook about, you can definitely find other products, okay, that can definitely help out their situation. So if you're helping your audience, you're finding a solution to their problem, you're touching on pain points, then you want to, guide them, with the right product, and you want to put that product right there in front of them, okay? Don't overdo it, but just, put your affiliate links throughout your ebook so that way you can get some sales. All right, I'm just gonna drop it like that, but it's real simple to do, so that is how you can do it. Now the next thing I want to talk about is marketing. How to see here and market your ebooks. Well, it's real simple. I mean, you can definitely use a platform like ChatGPT, okay? So I'm just gonna open that up right here. Now, depending on whatever ebook you're creating, for instance 10 best keto recipes, you can type that in right here. Instead of 10, you can do something like 5 best keto recipes. Okay, if you want to be a little polite with ChatGPT, you can say, please write me 5 best keto recipes. Okay, then we're just gonna launch that. Now ChatGPT is gonna do its work. It says, sure, here are 5 delicious keto recipes for you. Now you can easily grab this script right here and you can turn it into a video. All right, video is king in my opinion, and social media ain't going nowhere. And obviously you can start driving in sales leveraging social media. So right here, 5 delicious keto recipes for you. Let's say this is the whole entire article. You can sit here, just grab all this piece of information here, copy that. You can head on over to a website like pictory.ai. I will leave a link to everything I'm talking about in the description, so that way you can easily access all this. But you want to sign up, and once you're signed up, you're going to be brought up to your dashboard, which looks like this. You're going to want to use this section here, script to video. Click on proceed. You want to title your video, right? So this is 5 best keto recipes. Okay, now for right here, this is where you want to paste in that script. Okay, paste it in like that, but obviously you want to make it a little longer. Now once you're done here, just click on proceed, and the next step is going to be to choose the template. Okay, so once you choose the template, it's going to create the scenes for you. So I'm just going to click on that. You can pick your aspect ratio, and short form content, you want to keep it short. Okay, 15, 20 seconds, 30 seconds be good. Click on continue. It's gonna say please wait. Now it's gonna create that video for you. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is actually go and grab your link in bio tool. And what I mean by that is heading on over to Beacons, and this is a link in bio tool. You'll get a unique link, but you can have multiple offers. You can have one ebook there, one ebook here, and each one of these is a link. So you get one unique link that you can put in your Instagram bio. You can put it on Facebook. You can put it on Twitter, wherever, right? You can put it on Pinterest as well. So I also did a video on how to promote your ebooks on Pinterest. I will link it up top, and I will also leave it in the description, so that way you can check it out. I touch on this as well in that video. So definitely head back over there to reference back to some information that I may miss right now. But literally, all you have to do, right, is just deck out your store. So right here, as you can see, test page. Let me actually delete that. I forgot to delete that last time. So delete link, boom. So right there I have my blog. Then I have a section, start a profitable online business today, 3K ebook collection to resell as your own, print on demand design bundle. And what's cool is you can put your videos, right? So if it's your latest video that you created for YouTube, you can sit here, put that video right there. Now the cool thing with creating short form content, especially using this right here, Beacons, is because you can put that link, right? You can pin it in the comments in YouTube. So if you're creating YouTube shorts, you can put this link, right? You can pin it in the comments, so that way whoever's watching your video, they click on that link, you can have your ebook right there. So if that video is on 5 keto recipes, now when they click on that link in the bio or pinned in the comments, they're gonna come right here and they're gonna see an ebook with 10 recipes, right? So definitely, you know what I'm saying, you want to get exposure to your ebooks, and social media is the perfect way to get traffic and leads to your business. Now the cool thing with beacons is you could track your insights as well. You can see where your traffic is coming from: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, so on and so forth, and obviously YouTube, all these good ones, right? So this could be, you know, the web, this could be from Google or something. So you can definitely deck it out. You know, it's drag and drop, plug and play, so it's nothing real technical with this, so it's real easy. I will leave a link in the description, but that's pretty much it, right? And you want to create an account for your business, and you want to brand it. Okay, so like for me, my brand is Online Hustles. Then make sure, you know, my Instagram's Online Hustles, you know, Pinterest is Online Hustles, things like that. So you can tailor it for your business. So you guys can follow this structure, start making some money. I will leave all those links in the description. Definitely check out Designer. That pretty much wraps things up for this video. If you found value in this video, consider liking and subscribing to my channel. It really does help me out, and best of all, I really do appreciate the support. Now at this point of the video, you're probably wondering, hey Melvin, you touched on Pinterest. What is the best way to promote your ebooks on Pinterest? And that is why your next step should be to watch this video right here, where I share with you just that. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.